Hi everyone, this is Ankita and you are watching me on Peeping Moon. Today we are going to have with us someone who rose to fame with TV and soon we realized she was part of every one of our lives. We are going to be joined by the very talented Radhika Madan who actually had a mixed journey as of now, but this year she got rave reviews for her lovely performance in Angrezi Medium opposite Irfan. And yeah, a little sad that many of you couldn't see it in the theaters, but right now it's available on an OTT platform, and you can very well go check out her performance there. And I'm sure you're gonna love it because she was fabulous there. Like a couple of seconds, and we will be having you with Radhika. Shoot out your questions, everyone, so that we don't make her wait any longer. Hi,
Hi,
Radhika.
hi, how are you?
I'm good. So sorry we had to squeeze in your time, but everyone was
It's
waiting
okay,
for
it's
you.
okay. It's okay, it's okay. What's happening?
All good. You tell us how your quarantine time going.
I'm actually recording myself for something. So I
Oh,
think I will be posting it. It's a surprise for you
nice.
guys.
Nice.
Yeah.
We'll be excited to see that. But Radhika, one thing which even before we started and everyone had a genuine question. I know it's a little heartbreaking. I was one of the few lucky ones to see you on big screen within Crazy Medium, but many of you
Mhm.
couldn't. Now you're in like on an OTT platform, the film is there. But was it a little a letdown sort of experience for you? Because it was very, very sudden before we could even process it.
I know, it wasn't in our hands. And whatever has happened, it's beyond everybody. It's beyond our individual interests. It's so big, it's so huge. We can't be selfish right now, and we can't even think in that sense that, ऐसा क्यों हो गया? Pandemic हुआ है. So we cannot do anything. But I'm happy that at least it's available on an OTT platform and people can see it. That is why we make a film. We just want to entertain the audience, yeah. That is it. That is our main purpose.
Radhika, we also saw you got this lovely compliment from Mr. Amitabh Bachchan for your performance. Please tell us about it. Like, I really need to see your reaction on that one because your post was like so overwhelming.
I I didn't believe it for the longest time. Like it was just there. So there's this costume person whose name is Amitabh or something like that. So I thought, okay, I got a message in the morning and I thought like he's coming to collect his clothes or something like that. So I was like, fine. I gave the address and I was in the kitchen at that point of time. I remember, and I just opened the door and there was this bouquet and a letter, and I just stood there. And उन्होंने बोला Mr. Bachchan के यहाँ से हम आए हैं, and he sent this to you. And I just took it and I was reading the letter and I just froze there for good 2-3 minutes and I didn't know what to do and I was teary eyed and yeah, and I framed the letter. So it's with me, it's framed, it's beyond all the awards. And I couldn't be more thankful. In the evening, I spoke with Mr. Bachchan as well. And, he was just talking and I couldn't say a single word. I was just saying thank you. And I didn't know what to say. He was just praising the film and the performances and everything. And I was like, yes, sir, thank you, sir. This means a lot. And I was just fumbling and stammering, but it was one of the most special moments of my life.
Nice. Radhika would tell us, like, because only we can get to know from you. With the film being pulled down a little earlier than we all expected to. In fact, we here, what was if fans had to say about it? Because it's a labor of love after all. You guys put so time, years, and into a film, and you're unable to connect via a big screen. Was it like this? I'm telling you, this Instagram is going to kill us before this lockdown definitely comes to an end. It's a super
Yes.
load. Radhika, I'll make it very short and sweet before I hand you over to fans before they kill me for wasting so much of time out here. Tell me something, Radhika. You're one of the few handful actors who have made it really big from TV to films. How surreal does it feel? Like in 5 years, I think you have covered two biggest mediums, TV and films. How does it feel?
So I haven't thought like that ever. I don't know. Yeah, for me, it's just acting. I don't think of it as TV or movies. Yeah, it's to me, it's just playing different roles. That's what gives me the thrill. That's what I'm passionate about. Just living lives, and I just want to do that. Be it any platform, be it a digital platform, movies, TV. So I'm just grateful that I'm able to be an actor professionally. That is it.
So if TV comes your way again with maybe a very challenging script, will you be able to pick it with your schedule as of now?
Never say never. Like if it makes me jump out of the bed,
That's a very, very, very good answer. Never say never, because also the OTT is booming beautifully. Like, are you up
yes,
for it if you get something on OTT?
of
Yes.
course. Like why not? Why not? Just get me a role which is like so
Meaty.
challenging. Just yeah, just meaty, and I'll be up for it. Of course. I don't care about the platform.
I was talking to Abhimanyu Dasani, and he was saying that he's very much excited if Mard Ko Dard 2.0 happens. Like for you also, the chances is open. Like if you get it,
I would love to. You need to ask Vasan sir. I don't know
he
if
said
he's
the
up
same
for it
thing.
or not. I would love to. I love Supri. And why not? Why not?
Yeah. Abhimanyu's like, me and Radhika have to gang up and go to like Vasant sir and tell him like, sir, one more part.
We will have to do it. वो तो हम करते ही हैं वो तो हम पहले से ही बोला हुआ है आई थिंक वासन सर हैज समथिंग इन हिज माइंड होगा कभी तो he'll only tell us but yeah we keep telling him that you need to make it.
Okay, Radhika, there's very little less about what you are doing next. I just found out about Shiddat. Like, could you just give us a little bit what's next we can expect from you after receiving such beautiful reviews for Angrezi Medium?
Thank you. Next is Shiddat. We've already finished the shoot.
Oh,
It's with
lovely.
Sunny and Mohit is also there. Diana is also there. Uh, it's something which is totally different from whatever I've done. Uh,
Like fully
and
Bollywood, like total dancing
yeah,
around the trees in the west.
Bollywood,
Yeah.
yeah, a different genre altogether. It's a romantic film. I'm playing the role of a swimmer in that, and it's a love
Oh,
story. It's a love story, and I haven't done a love story yet. So, yeah, I can only tell you that much. And
what
yeah, I
next
hope
apart
to
from
share with
Shiddat?
you soon.
So apart from Shiddat, is there anything we should be looking forward from your kitty?
I will be making a few announcements soon.
Soon.
Like I just need to make it official. So interesting things lined up. I can just promise everybody that I just want to entertain them with different genres, with different characters. I don't want them to put me in a box because I don't put myself in a box. So
Exactly.
yeah, I just want to entertain them as much as I can.
Radhika, if I'm not mistaken, you are staying alone in Mumbai, like not with your parents per se, as of now in this entire lockdown situation.
Yes.
Could you just tell us something? It can be overwhelming. Like, though we need personal time, maybe as an actor, you also, but can it get a little overwhelming staying alone?
It can, but I'm just keeping myself very busy. I'm just working on myself a lot. I'm taking on new skills. Uh, मुझे नहीं पता लगता है कब दिन गुजर जाता है. But of course, you miss your family. That is
Yeah.
good, but I'm just keeping myself distracted because maybe I'm the kind of person कि अब सिचुएशन अगर कोई आ जाती है ना तो I'm not like कि हाय क्यों हो गया हाय मेरे साथ I'm like okay what can I do about it can I
Yeah.
just एक दिन दो दिन में हाय तौबा मचाऊंगी third day I'll be like okay what's next what can I do about it how can I make it productive how can I become a better person or a better artist like that is how my brain functions so yeah.
So one hobby, just tell us you have picked up, or one skill you have learned in this time, like mastered it.
Not mastered it. I'm learning piano, and
Oh wow!
yeah. So
It's apart from you, Deepika Padukone is also learning piano, just in case.
that is so beautiful. That is so amazing. So yeah, I'm learning piano. I'm learning tap dancing online. and writing a few things, and have enrolled for workshops online. And yeah, that is what I'm doing, just keeping myself busy.
So, without wasting much time, I'm going to shoot the first question from fans, which I ended up noticing while this entire glitch happened, and then you can definitely take up. Someone asked me like, what's your dream combination of an actor director? What is something you want to collaborate with?
I have a list. I have a
Give me
list,
one.
like I want to work with Zoya Akhtar. I want to work with Anurag Basu, Anurag Kashyap. I want to work with Gauri Shinde, man. Like there's a list, and list of actors as well. Ayushmann, Ranveer. Like I can't even like the
Every
list
fan.
can go on and on and on and on. So yeah,
Yeah, and one more question someone had, which is was a very, very sweet question I found. Like when you entered Bollywood, what was your first OG fangirl moment? Like one moment which will always be with you, like when you officially entered Bollywood, one fangirl moment, yours.
my fangirl moment will have to be with Kareena. Like I was
Oh,
shivering before meeting her. Like I just shot with her for a day in Angrezi, and I remember before meeting her, my hands were like shivering. Like how I've been a big Kareena fan my whole life, and just to see her up front and just she was so warm and so sweet, and it just my love for her has grown after that.
cool. So quickly, we are going to go through your fans' questions. I won't take much of your time. Should I read some for you, or would you like to scroll
Go for
yourself
it, go
and
for it,
have
go
a
for
pick?
it. Just shoot, shoot.
Okay, cool. I we are guys. Radhika is starting answering, so feel free. Who wants to shoot over any questions? We will. Okay. So the first one happens to be. Oh, I'm also trying to figure out. There are so many. God, Radhika, you are getting beautiful compliments. First of all, how is
Thank
your
you.
face glowing so much? Someone is asking me. Like really.
I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping and eating well. That is all. And I just feel that you need to be happy from inside and you'll glow.
तुम मेरी favorite हो. Now that's a Karina-ish compliment for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's sweet. Thank you.
But Radhika, does this love overwhelm you? Because this can be like really, really surreal to have so much love pouring all over. How do you feel about this fans and the adulation which comes your way?
I think I am whatever I am because of them. And I'm so grateful to each and every one of them. Like how they take out time to just post comments or make collages. It's or share their stories or whatever it is. It's so overwhelming, and I'm so grateful to each and every one of them. Thank you so much, guys.
Someone has asked that, Radhika, how does it feel to rise above the nepotism war?
Have I risen? It's just usually like what I have told myself is that I need to give my 100% to everything. I can't be boggled by कि अरे ये इसकी बेटी अरे ये इसका बेटा. I can't. What am I doing about it? मैं पैदा तो
Exactly.
नहीं हो सकती ना किसी के मुंह से. अब मैं
You
हूँ
can't
तो
rearrange the universe.
हूँ. Exactly. Just give your 100%. What I can do is I can just audition. I can just give my 100% to every single character, and that is it. मैं ये क्या करूंगी हाय वो उससे क्यों पैदा हो गई हाय हाय नहीं हो सकता यार. Just work on yourself, work on your craft, and have your own journey.
Okay, someone has to ask Ishani, when are you, if, when and if will you ever continue मेरी आशिकी तुमसे ही, I love you.
They're not making a season 2, so
I
but
think
never
we'll
say
put
never.
in एक बार, like, how about an OTT version of, like a quick, cute version of मेरी आशिकी. Okay, Radhika, someone is asking, what's your favorite thing to do in the house in this time? Someone is saying, what are you watching? What are you reading?
Watching a lot of shows right now. I'm watching People versus O.J. Simpson. I just missed out on that one, so I'm just watching that currently and reading books and just practicing my piano. That is all I do.
Nice. Who's your crush, Radhika?
Who's my crush? Can I say
Yeah.
Karina?
Oh, come on. No, 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 no. We will not take that. Something else, please. Because actually, it also takes to my question. You are the only one who doesn't have a link up rumor, yaar. There is like clean slate. Radhika single legitimately on all tabloids.
It's just me. It's okay. I'll tell you my crush. Ryan Gosling.
Like hitting out of the park directly. We don't do small things. We just like pick up the best fan in the lot.
Never. छोटी चीजों पे जाना ही
Okay, this one is nice. Ma'am, why do you think your film are underrated? And why don't they get that kind of due? That's very deep.
I know, yeah. I don't know, yeah. My job is just to act. My job is just to live my character 200%. After that, it's business and it's productions thing. I don't get involved into it. But I just wanna, of course, you would want to reach out to as many people as you can. But but मेरे हाथ में तो उतना ही है ना यार मेरे हाथ में तो ऑनेस्टी है ना मेरे हाथ में तो कैरेक्टर ही जीना जी सकते हो ना ऑनेस्टली उसके बाद क्या होता है रिस्पॉन्स क्या होता है क्या ये वो तो मेरे हाथ में ही नहीं है तो
Look who joined too. Vasan
हाँ
Bala sir. Vasan Bala sir. You can put in your request right away. I'm telling you. Do it right away. He's
Marco
watching
Dagny
you.
what Marco Dagny
Yeah,
part
yeah, yeah, yeah.
so people
Yeah,
are
yeah.
requesting for Marco Dagny part 2 so आप सब कुछ देख लो आप मतलब मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ लोग बोल रहे हैं तो आप देख लो
Okay, I'll just pick last couple of you before I bid you bye. There are some really cute things. Okay, let me just scroll. Oh my God. Radhika, you are a great mimic artist. We have seen some videos. Please mimic something for us. When was this? Why did I miss it, Radhika? Where was I? मुझे भी नहीं पता. Where was I?
चन्नू जी करना में मैंने बस वो थोड़ा बहुत शाहरुख वारुख किया है और कुछ नहीं किया है वो जिस
कर दो
डांसिंग
राधिका फैंस है कर दो फैंस है एक बारी छोटा सा
हाथ दिखेंगे तुम्हें हाथ दिखेंगे हाथ कैसे दिखाऊं
एक डायलॉग चलेगा चलो विल डू विद डायलॉग
हाथ दिख रहे नहीं दिख
दैट्स रियली
रहे ओके लेट मी से द इजीएस्ट डायलॉग जो सब लड़कियां बोलती हैं कि मैं अपनी फेवरेट
Okay, there is something. Okay, let me read this. This is too long. I'm going to cut it short and ask you. Hi, God, hi, gorgeous. What's your makeup routine? I'm cutting it short. It's too long, but I'm giving you chota wala.
मेरा बस चले मैं बिल्कुल मेकअप ना करूं मेरे को बस शूट के लिए करना होता है और like but if I'm doing it just a very light base or sometimes just a blush and you're good to go just tint blush good to go
Do you bear any resemblance to Tarika in real life?
not at all दिख रहा है आपको कैसी बातें कर रहे हो यार ये falls apart
Okay. Are you still in touch with Shakti after your show? Someone asked. Shakti, your co-star.
Yeah, I know. We just keep wishing each other on the birthdays and on the special occasions. But I think he's also keeping, like, he's also busy and
Yeah.
I'm also busy with our schedule. But of course,
And
like,
you know it
we
better
keep
than
wishing
you.
each other
Daily
the
soaps
best.
can be, daily
Yes,
soaps
yes,
are all over it just
yes.
totally consumes you. Listen, guys, I have to let go of Radhika in another 5 minutes. I'm giving you shoot out your questions. Otherwise, I am not going to take them, and then no one will cry on the feed and say Radhika ne jawab nahi diya. Okay, let me just scroll through the. Oh God, I'm going to die थोड़े time में. Too much of names. Okay, people want some weird things. Radhika, say my name. Radhika, say I love you. Radhika, meanwhile, give a message to fans at least. I'll read down a few questions तब तक.
Thank you so much for all the love and thank you so much for all the support. And I love each and every one of you.
Okay, last. Nice. Radhika, if you have to spend your quarantine with a Hollywood actor, who will that be? And Bollywood. And Bollywood. I'm going to take only males. I'm not taking female answers from you.
हाँ
Come
तो
on.
बॉलीवुड में रायन गोसलिंग
And Bollywood?
बॉलीवुड में Like I really, chalo, male actors. Okay.
Yeah, male only. We are going with you male only.
Bachchan.
That's the most unexpected answer. Why?
क्यों? मैं क्या बाहर आऊंगी फॉरेन टीम से पता है मैं क्या एक्टर बन के बाहर आऊंगी? कैसी बातें कर रहे हो यार? अपना दिमाग उधर से हटाओ। आर्टिस्ट क्यों है?
Okay, this is very beautiful. Radhika, I feel your journey in Bollywood is like Shah Rukh Khan. You're confident, talented, and self belief, and you have made all by yourself this entire thing.
Thank you so much. Like just to hear my name in the same breath with him. It's, yeah, you made my day. Thank you. Thank you so much.
प्यार हो गया. Okay, this one is funny. Have you ever stalked any fan of yours and DM'd them?
No, I haven't stalked them, but I've like there are some requests that they send. So sometimes it's a birthday wish or something like that. So I do that. I do reply to them. Sometimes I make a video and I just send it to them, wishing them happy birthday. And yeah, that is what I do. But I haven't stalked them.
You haven't, not like that per se stalking and all.
No, 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 no.
Okay. If not an actor, what would you have been?
A dancer?
Oh, your videos with Sanya are like really cool. Like you guys should be doing a dancing movie. Pataka 2.0 should be more about dancing, I'm telling you.
Hello, hello, articles, articles.
I'd do that. Okay, who do you want to be in a love triangle with? I want to know this now. This is nice.
Love triangle.
Triangle, affair नहीं, triangle सीधा. इधर उधर नहीं
सीधा
जाएंगे हम.
triangle. हाँ,
सीधा
fair
triangle
enough.
करेंगे.
So one is definitely Kareena. The other one needs to be. फिर मैं रायन गॉसलिंग बोलूंगी फिर तुम बोलोगे.
यार लव ट्रायंगल में बाकी बेचारे बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स को थोड़ा सा ऐसे फुटेज दे दो, थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर.
हंसा दोगे मुझे. नहीं देखो मतलब बाकी ठीक है मतलब एक रायन गॉसलिंग एक करीना मैं खुश हूँ. हम अपनी छोटी सी दुनिया में खुश रहेंगे.
रहेंगे. गाइस, राधिका बिल्कुल क्लियर है, वो अपने मुद्दे से नहीं हटेंगी. रायन और करीना उनकी लिस्ट में टॉप कर रहे हैं. बच्चन साहब उनकी प्रेफरेंस में सबसे आगे हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. राधिका ने अपने चॉइसेस लॉक कर दिए हैं. Okay.
Loyalty to another level.
I'm going to take last two questions, guys. Anyone? I'm picking up one. Radhika, do you resemble Ishani in real life? Do you think you would be better at doing comic roles than romantic?
मैं
एक
सब
साथ
कर
आया.
सकती हूँ. मेरे को लगता है मैं सब कर सकती हूँ. आई डोंट वांट टू लिमिट माई सेल्फ. मेरे अंदर है, सबके अंदर सब कुछ ही होता है, तो सब सब कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे भी लगता है कि मैं भी सब कर सकती हूँ. आई डोंट वांट टू जस्ट से कि अरे मैं रोमांटिक करूंगी या मैं कॉमिकल करूंगी या मैं एक्शन करूंगी. ऐसा नहीं है, मैं सब करूंगी.
Okay, Radhika, give me this one then, because right now fans are only sending loves and kisses. I'll ask you one question. Had it not been for your, or let's make it further easier. If you had to pick any Bollywood movie ever in which you would have made your debut instead of the one in which you made any movie, which would have that been? That's tricky. Pick something which you think could have also been an equally good Bollywood debut for you.
That's an interesting one. I would say Jabi Man, if ever they make it again. I'm a big
No,
Jabi.
that's nice. I think we should put Imtiaz Ali Sir 2.0. We have contenders. Radhika Madan is dying to do a Kareena. Like, should we say it?
Let's do it. Put out our articles. हमने लिस्ट बनानी है कि हमें क्या क्या बाहर फेंकना है. Just do it.
I think I don't think you would have to audition for even Kareena's part. That I can say for sure. It will be like essay killing it.
Done.
And someone wants lastly to say you a dialogue from Angrezi medium. That's so sweet.
अंग्रेजी मीडियम. तो ठीक है, तो मैं बोल देती हूँ पापा लंदन जाना है तो लंदन जाना है.
Oh, okay. I'm going to take this one. This is nice. Last one. Vicky, Karthik. I think he's written every actor. So Vicky or Karthik, give me a pick. We'll say bye.
Vicky. I
Sanaya Malhotra.
sorry.
Sanaya Malhotra just joined you. Sanya Malhotra just
Sanya
joined you. So you can.
Malhotra, stalker,
Hanji.
yaar. She's just like obsessed with me. I love you, Sanya.
Sanya Radhika has just agreed to do a Pataka 2.0, a full-on dancing movie. So if you can hear us, we have another one in the list. We have 3 remakes already decided, or 3 parts already done.
Yeah.
Sanya is laughing it off. Sanya is saying, ha ha ha. Very good.
सानिया को मैं कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ. सानिया मतलब घर है.
Love you too, Badku. Oh, that's so cute. But thank you so much, Radhika. I know you're short on time, still you took it out for us. It really, really means a lot. And to all the fans, one goodbye before we say bye to the session.
Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you soon. And like virtually. घर से मत निकलना. And all the love and big hug to each and every one of you. And lots of love.
Thank you so much, Radhika. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, 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 bye.